How long have you been in Parliament, and can you please name 2 or 3 laws that you would fight for or actually like to be changed?
Uh, this month was my 1 year anniversary in Parliament. It's been a year that I'm in Parliament. It's been very difficult.
Salute.
It's been very difficult and stressful getting to know the ins and outs, how your bills, how your laws, how your motions, the debates, plenaries, how all of this works. Remember, we were a small party. I was thrown in the deep end, and I won't say I'm swimming. I'm trying my utmost best to perform because our people need us. So the laws. I'm busy currently. Currently, there's this law that I'm busy with now, and I start with this one first before I come to the one of the young people, the podcast one. We are busy with an image law. There's a law student from the University of Stellenbosch that is sitting with us. We are doing this thing. People might not understand how important your image is, and currently, people are using your photo, your what, wherever they want, and it can boost your image,
But you can also break it
it
down.
can break your image. Now, currently in South Africa, there's no such a law on image rights. We are busy now drafting something that we will present to Parliament. Then there's another one because communication and digital technology speaks to young people. We are coming now, as you heard, we spoke with the Minister of Communication, Soli, from the DA. There was a bill you'd see that was an AI bill that was fastly because we're behind.
Yes.
There was a few issues with it. It has been withdrawn, but I think this one speaks to people like yourself on Spizani podcast because government wants to come in. They've seen how creative you guys are, how innovative you guys are. Not necessarily that they want to come and restrict, but you'd remember not so long ago there was a podcast that degraded colored people, you know. So, and it is not just about colored people. There are many that degrade other races. So this is what parliaments want. And with the help of ourselves, as you can see, we are not your normal parliamentarians. We're a little bit young. So we do understand some of this the digital world. Let me put it in that fashion. And for us now, the world, everybody can see the world is going digital. In South Africa, I was in Limpopo for oversight. Can you believe out of 100%, about 90 something percent are not connected. So that was government is spending there. That was paid. But there's another bill. This one was brought by our deputy president Kenny Gunene. It speaks to your hijacked buildings. Why is it so difficult for law enforcement